What's the deal, man? Y'all see where we at? We back in the truck. We had a crazy night last night, man. Yesterday was my first day actually pushing the Amazon load, like back to back to back. So anybody who drive for Amazon, I need you in the comment section, man. Let me know y'all experiences with driving or pulling Amazon containers or trailers or just working with them. I'm gonna say this. They ain't playing no games. This is where the elite drivers is at right here. You have to not only have the endurance and the stamina, but you got to be one of them drivers for real, man. Anywhere I go, I'm gonna earn my keep. And right here, like Amazon, I definitely got a lot of respect when I see an Amazon trailer being pulled by anybody, any company. Because let me tell you, and I'm gonna show y'all. It's a couple clips I'll probably put up somewhere just to let y'all know, man. Amazon, first of all, they not playing no games. Those loads have to be there on time, or else you gonna mess up everything. So what happens is you get a block, right? They very organized. So you get a block. A block consists of your pickups and your drops. So you get a specific time. They know exactly when you come. They only give you a little bit of time to leave, and they time you damn near on everything. Like they not time, but they watch you on everything. You're braking, like how hard you brake, how fast you go. They very like strict, very, very, very strict. This is one of the most micromanaged companies that I've ever worked for, which is cool though, cause I'm always up for a challenge, right? Yesterday we had to experience the first load, right? I'm saying damn near sorry and excuse me to everybody. I'm nervous, like your first day at work. I'm nervous. Me being a truck driver and being nervous, I'm only gonna step up to the plate. That's just my personality. That's just how I am. So we get to the pickup location. I don't know nothing for real. Everything is ran off of your phone. You don't see nobody at most of these places. When you check in, there's a camera. There's biometrics at some that get your dimensions. They also check your MC. A lot of these trailers have QR codes on them, so when you leave out, it scans the QR code and let them know, hey, this who got this load. And also, you are, I didn't even know until I looked at the BOL. You are in charge of millions of dollars worth of electronics and merchandise at sometimes, and you don't even know. That right there kind of made me nervous. I'm like, oh, this is a damn near like a this is like a Brinks truck for real. And they watching every move that you make. Every single move that you stop too long, they watching for sure. So I just want to say big shout out, man, to Amazon. They not playing no games. We did that load from Phoenix to San Diego. We ran it. We did good. The first pickup and the first drop is gonna let you know exactly how Amazon run their show. The San Diego facility is very like I'm cool with a lot of people not there. I'm cool with a lot of damn people there because I made a presence. I asked questions. I introduced myself. Even though we had a little bit of time, but I'm like, hey yo, I'm new. I need to learn this right quick. The guy at the guard shack, it was actually a guy there. If anything was to happen, he came out and I'm just like, hey, I need your help. I need your help. He came out, he helped me, he showed me. And I'm that type of driver, man. If I don't understand something that day, I'm going to learn it that day in that second. I'm going to say, hey, I don't know. I don't. So I actually learned a lot. And it helped me throughout the drops and the pickups. I had like 4 pickups and drops after San Diego. And guess what? Amazon gonna use every single second you got on this clock. I'm looking down on this clock right here. They're gonna use every single second. It's gonna be used for sure. You gonna use your break for sure. You gonna use you gonna use. I'm sorry, but you gonna use everything. And it's funny because I'm eating my lunch. I'm like, all right, bet. I got 3 hours. You got your time, your extra time, but it's like, nah. When you look at the time, and that's another quality that you gotta have, all jokes aside, time management is everything. I looked at the time. I'm like, damn. By me being in California traffic, you already know what it's gonna be. All right, let me hurry up, and eat my food right quick. Boom, 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 boom. 30 minutes, and I'm off. And guess what? Not only did I show my, you know what, but I got another drop, and they accepted it too. I got another drop that I had to do earlier today, like about 12 o'clock. And you know, we got more time to chill. So I'm kind of understanding that Amazon don't play. I'm understanding the way of the land, and I'm getting to know everybody in the facilities. Like, hey, yo, you already know what's going on. When I got a trailer and I'm moving a tractor with it, so it is what it is. I'm glad to be back in trucking though, for real. This is gonna be a hell of a challenge. Just this, like I got this block, so we gonna be done with this block later on tonight. Tonight. So I'm gonna tell y'all something too. Another thing. This is the new way of trucking. I'm telling y'all this right now. This is gonna be the new way of trucking because I'm looking at the technology. You are at some of these facilities that's more ramped up in the IT realm. You're not seeing nobody. You're not seeing nobody. Guess what? You check in. They locking you in on the camera. You go drop, they hit your phone, boop, boop, drop it off here. You take a picture, you put the information in, you pick up another trailer, you get up out of there where they scan the QR code, they look at your face, they make sure you good. That's it. You're not doing nothing. That's all you're doing. Drop the hook and you out of there. And it's very, very high pace. And I see right now, but this is where the money at. This is where the money is. And if you can keep up, this is where the new thing in trucking will be. All companies will be ran like this. I feel like now that I would rather have it this I would rather have it this way because it eliminates all the bull crap. It does. You're gonna have elite drivers out here. That's all Amazon gonna create. And other companies like that who model this whole blueprint, they gonna create good drivers, safe drivers, on-time drivers, and there's not gonna be no riffraff. It's not. And the process that I had to go through to get here was like a phone call, which was an interview. All right, cool. We're gonna send you through the next thing. A background check that lasted so damn long. I'm like, what is going on? Guess what? After the background check, we had to do a drug test, and not just the regular drug test. We need a hair follicle. We need to go back 6 months. Not even though you can't use them little quick fixes. Nope. Mm-mm. Nope. You think you slick. No, we need a hair follicle. All right, cool, whatever. Take the hair follicle. That came back sweet. Now you have to do training on the Amazon app. If listen, I need all my truck drivers that's pulling for Amazon or you with Amazon or working with them. Confirm this. Acknowledge me if I'm right and tell me if I'm wrong. There is probably 33 training classes, and I still haven't finished all of them on the app. Everything is ran through the Amazon Relay app. All of the classes is on there. So you're going to be in there like, man, what in the world? I'm still not finished. Low key, I'm about to finish right after this video. That's what I should have been doing. But I had to let y'all know, man, we back in trucking. We in a whole nother sector. This is like the new thing that I think all companies are going to model, man. If they model this, they going to be all right. They ain't going to be no riffraff. This your boy 18 Willer, man. I love y'all. This is a video for y'all. This is where we at with it. And we out of here.